My name is Patrick Sullivan. I'm the executive chef at Charlie's Place here in beautiful Niantic, Connecticut, right on the shoreline. I'm also the host of Ketchup to Caviar. A friend of mine are doing a show. It's going to be a little cooking segment out of Charlie's Place here, hopefully once a week. We'll go forward from here. You guys ready? We're going to be doing today a simple grilled cheese sandwich. It's going to have two different types of cheese and a barbecue pulled pork. This is in-house smoked pork. I'm going to put this right on the grill here. Add a little moisture to it. Put a lid right over that. Now we're going to put the cheese on top of this Texas toast. Put a heaping amount of provolone on both sides. Now lift this up. Put our barbecue sauce right over it. That is sweet love right there, people. Cover this right back up. Now we're going to put our provolone cheese on. So do it on one side. This is an in-house caramelized roasted red pepper jam. This is going to be amazing, people. It's sweet. It's a little bit of tart. The cheese is going to be creamy. It's going to be fantastic. Let's take a look at what we're looking at over here for the pulled pork with our in-house barbecue sauce. Just right on top. Nothing but love here at Charlie's Place. Best ingredients ever. Give this just a little bit of a press. Make sure everything inside is doing its thing. Now, just for looks, we're going to stick this over here in a char grill. Going to give it about 10 seconds per turn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That's what we're talking about, people. All right, can you drop down those onion rings, please? These are double battered, crispy onion rings. When they come out, we're gonna throw a little Cajun seasoning on them also. Always helps with a barbecue flair. They're about nice and crunchy. We got about 15, 20 seconds with those guys. All right, let's go check out the sandwich. Make sure everything's looking good over here. All right, let's put this right over here. Get ready for the plating. Let's go back and check out our onion rings. All right, follow me. A little Cajun seasoning. All right, guys. This is a Texas toast, barbecue pulled pork grilled cheese with a roasted red pepper caramelized onion jam. That is tough to beat, people. So once again, another great dish here at Charlie's Place in beautiful Niantic, Connecticut. We have specials like this almost every single day, so please come check us out.